How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super clean 2003 Corvette. Super nice, one family owned car. It's a very good friend of mine's car. Car's all stock other than a catback exhaust system. Got 92,000 miles on it. It's got all factory paint, never had any paint work done on it. It's all very nice. It's garage kept. Nice, clean under the hood and everything. It's had all current maintenance done. You see the nose isn't all beat up or anything. There's a few chips there in the license plate cover. Other than that, very nice. So I'd like to have that motor to put in one of our muscle cars. Just a very clean. The interior in the car is almost like new. They have both tops, the painted top and the glass top. You see all the seats, there's no tears in them. There you can see the glass top. They got a cover for it also. Original window sticker and owner's manual and everything. You have to kind of bear with it. A little chilly out here today. I tell you, I love the color on the car. And I couldn't find really any marks to speak of other than them few chips in that license plate cover. All the wheels are in real good condition. Tires got all Firestones on it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.